And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Coastal water forecasts on the central and south coast, looking at south to west winds at only 15 knots for the day Tuesday. And for the north coast, anywhere from southeast to west winds at 15 to 20 knots. Lynn Canal, south 20, gust 35. Stevens Passage and Clarence Strait looking at south to southeast at 15. And for Clarence Strait on Wednesday, small craft advisories there, south winds increasing to 25 knots. Central and northern interchannel, south winds at 20 knots. Small craft advisories all along the coast here at 25 to 30 knots from the south mainly, but here on the north coast becoming east-southeast at 30 to 40 knots. And for Prince William Sound, small craft advisories, southeast at 25, southeast winds 20 to 30 knots for the North Gulf Coast, east at 15 to 20 in Cook Inlet, southeast winds 25 knots, Barren Islands and Kamishak Bay. And for Wednesday, Cook Inlet, north to northeast winds at 20 knots, east winds 20 knots, Kamishak Bay and the Barren Islands. Gale warnings for the eastern North Gulf Coast, east-southeast winds 35 to 40 knots with 15-foot seas. East 25 for the western coast and Prince William Sound. East winds 25 knots, seas 6 feet. Kodiak Island, south winds Tuesday 15 to 25. And east-northeast to southeast at 15 to 20 for the peninsula. Southeast 15 for Bristol Bay. And for Wednesday, west-northwest 15 knots for the Alaska Peninsula. Just southwest at 10 for Bristol Bay. Kodiak Island, northeast and Shelikof Strait, south for the east side of the island at 15 knots. Northwest winds 30 to 35 knots for the Fox Islands tomorrow, and gale warnings also here for Adak and Atka. Northwest at 35 knots, and the western Aleutians, west-northwest 25 to 30. And for the western Aleutians on Wednesday, west-northwest winds 15 to 25 knots, west winds 30 knots from Adak, Alaska, all the way over to Nikolsky, becoming northwest 25 for Unalaska Island. For the southwest coast, St. Lawrence Island, northeast winds 20 knots. Same thing for St. Matthew Island, north at 20 for the Pribilofs. And for Wednesday, St. Lawrence Island, Yukon Delta coast, north at 15, northeast 15 for Norton Sound, northwest 15 for the Kuskokwim Delta coast, northwest at 25 for the Pribilofs, and northwest 20 for St. Matthew Island. And for the Arctic coast, east winds 20 to 25 knots tomorrow, and 25 to 30 knots there from Point Lay to Point Hope. So gale warnings continue in that area, again from Point Lay down to Point Hope, northeast 35. Otherwise at Chukchi Sea, northeast winds 25 knots. And for Wednesday, the western Arctic coast, east-northeast at 30. The Chukchi Sea, north to northeast 15 to 25. Central and eastern Beaufort Sea coast looking at east winds at 20 to 25 knots.